Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jig Saw. We needed a jigsaw for a specific project we were working on, and since we already had several tools in the DEWALT line, this was the perfect addition to our collection. The brushless motor really increases the performance efficiency compared to other tools without the brushless motor. It also has a longer run time, which works great for more elaborate projects. This jigsaw's compact size makes it easy to handle and maneuver, giving us maximum control while cutting. Also, the variable speed trigger really helps with speed control as well. I really like the lever action feature, which makes it convenient to not have to struggle every time I'm trying to change the blade. If this is your first time buying a DEWALT tool, because this is just a tool only, it might be a good idea to make sure you have batteries and chargers on hand so you have everything you need to get the project done, as well as additional blades that you will need for your project. Also, don't forget to snag a heavy-duty carrying case for your jigsaw so that you can maintain and protect it when not in use. Overall, this saw has definitely been extremely helpful for some specific projects that we needed. So if you are looking for a high-quality cordless saw from a reputable brand, you definitely want to check this out.